Let me show you a quick PowerPoint tutorial just in 60 seconds. Select a blank slide. Go to Insert. Select a text box. Type -sign for 10 times. Increase the font size. Go to Shape Format and click on Text Effect. Go to Transform and select Wave Down Wrap. Make it bigger and set its position on the top. Set its position perfectly. Right-click on your mouse and select Format Text Effects. Go to Fill and select Picture and Texture Fill. Select your picture. Write your content on a text box. Change the font to Arial Black and increase the font size. Change the text color. Your slide is ready.